Understanding baby's milestones, rolling over.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very exciting phase in your baby's development, rolling over. This is an essential motor skill that your baby will start to develop as part of their growth, and it's an exciting time for both you and your little one.
When should a baby start rolling over?
Babies typically start to roll over between 3 and 6 months of age. This is a broad range because every baby develops at their own pace. It's a big milestone that involves a lot of muscles and coordination, so don't worry if your baby takes a little longer to start rolling over. The first sign of rolling over usually happens when your baby begins to roll from their belly to their back. This is easier because it uses the weight of the baby's head to help initiate the roll. Later on, your baby will begin to roll from their back to their belly.
When should I be concerned?
If your baby hasn't started to show any signs of rolling over by 6 months, it may be a cause for slight concern. It's important to remember, however, that every child is unique and develops at their own pace. If your baby hasn't started rolling over by 7 months, it's a good idea to discuss this with your pediatrician. There could be many reasons why your baby isn't rolling over yet, and it might not be anything serious. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your baby's development.
How can I encourage my baby to roll over?
There are several ways you can encourage your baby to start rolling over. Providing plenty of tummy time is essential as it strengthens the neck, shoulder, and arm muscles needed for rolling over. Also, you can play with toys and move them around to catch your baby's attention. This might motivate them to roll over and reach for the toy. Remember, every baby is unique and reaches milestones at their own pace, so it's crucial not to compare your baby's progress with others. If you have any concerns, always consult with your healthcare provider. Enjoy this wonderful phase of your baby's life and keep encouraging them in their growth journey. Stay tuned for more tips and advice on your baby's development milestones.